Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the wireless microphone. With all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So this device is designed for Apple products. It says for iPhone. It'll actually work with anything that runs on iOS 13 or higher. And it uses a Type-C cable. We should have one in here. Let's go ahead and open it up, take a look at it. So you might be wondering, why do I need this? It's kind of designed for people like me, do YouTube videos, TikTok videos, and you want to be able to have a microphone clipped onto you while your camera is over in the distance filming. It's got a 65-foot audio range, got a nice kind of pseudo hard soft shell case with the zipper enclosure, but nice quality. It's got a little pouch on the side to keep the instruction manual. And then let's take a look at it. So you've got two different microphones. We'll just look at one of them. They're going to be the exact same. Got a little clip attached to it so you can clip it on. And then you've got a little bitty port right here where you can plug in your Type-C cable. Again, they do give you a Type-C cable for charging. And then this is going to be what you put into your iPhone. Says it should pair in under 10 seconds, which is honestly pretty standard for most Bluetooth devices. Anyway, you get two of those, instruction manual, charge cord. As always, I hope the video helps.